In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to review monthly performance with built-in reports. If you're looking to quickly understand your business or project performance, stick around because I'm going to walk you through a fast, easy process using the built-in reporting tools. By the end, you'll be able to track and analyze key metrics like a pro without spending hours on it. First, let's get into how to access your built-in reports. Most software you're using, whether it's project management, CRM, or any performance tracking tool, has a reports section. Typically, you'll find this in the main dashboard under tabs like Reports or Analytics. Open up the section for monthly performance and make sure you're selecting the time frame for the last month to get the right data. Once you've got your monthly report open, take a look at the high-level overview. It usually gives you a snapshot of key metrics, revenue, expenses, conversions, or whatever the main goals of your business are. If you're using our software, this overview is usually at the top, but you can customize the metrics you want to see depending on your needs. Now dive deeper into the specific reports that are most relevant for your business. For example, if you're tracking sales, you'll want to pull the report that breaks down sales performance by day, week, or even product. Look for any trends. Are there certain days where your performance spikes, or is there a drop in sales you need to investigate? Don't forget to check out the comparison tools built into most reporting systems. Some software lets you compare this month's data against last month or even the same month last year. This is crucial because it helps you identify any patterns, whether positive or negative, that need attention. As you review these reports, keep an eye on your KPIs. These are the key performance indicators that matter most for your business. Whether it's customer satisfaction, profit margins, or something else, you want to make sure these numbers align with your goals. If something's off, it's time to dig in and analyze why. A useful tip is to focus on the visuals in the report. Many built-in reports come with graphs or charts. These can really help you understand your performance at a glance. If you see any sharp peaks or dips, those are the areas that require more investigation. Sometimes the numbers are telling a bigger story, and these visuals make it easier to spot. As you go through the report, don't forget about the export options. You can usually export your data to a spreadsheet to dig even deeper if you need to. Having your data in Excel or Google Sheets gives you more flexibility for creating custom views or adding filters. Before I wrap up, here's a key takeaway. When reviewing monthly performance with built-in reports, always focus on your KPIs and look for trends or outliers. Understanding these trends and comparing them to previous months helps you make informed decisions moving forward. To recap. First, access your monthly performance report. Then, analyze your key metrics and compare the data to past performance. Use charts and visuals to help spot trends, and don't forget to export for deeper analysis if necessary. By following this process, you'll be able to stay on top of your performance without wasting time. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we've been using in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it if you want to follow along and get more in depth with your reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.